So we finally had a break in the weather. The sun is shining. It's about 50 degrees. You can see down there, snow is pretty much melted, which is nice. It's drying out down there. So I am taking advantage of it and packing up stuff and heading it down to the shop. You know, what I can get right now. So gotta dig my way in there and get what I can and get down. But you know, it's like eating an elephant, one piece at a time, right? So exciting, finally moving in. Hey. Well, hey everybody, guess what? It is moving day into the shop. So got Sage over here helping me. Also got Michael. I got good friends John and Brad, you guys know. So we've been loading up the trailer and taking stuff down to the shop. Awesome day. Say hey YouTube.
What's going on, guys?
So moving day, super excited. It's I don't know, first week in January. Finally had some nice weather. It snowed a few days ago and did rain, so finally dried out. But as you can see, starting to look like a shop. Getting stuff moved in. Over there, Brad, metal working. So can't wait to kind of get everything situated, get the electrician in here, and then we'll be up and running. So let me show you the cool sign that Michael got for me for Christmas. Hopefully the light will pick it up pretty good, but is that neat or what? Metal sign, double-sided. We'll hang that outside up there by the road. Well, hey everybody, it is the next day. We should be having rain and then snow. Once it gets cold enough. It's in the high 30s. We were originally supposed to move the equipment today, but that was the forecast. So I guess it's coming in a little bit later tonight. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. So, you know, I'm glad we got everything done when we did yesterday. But anyways, we got a whole bunch done, so let me show you what we got, take you in the shop and see kind of the layout. So let me give you a view from looking in. And as you can see, I went ahead and broke the floor in. So I got mud on it, I got some oil, I got the tire marks from the forklift, so you know, no problemo. It's kind of like when you buy a new vehicle, you know, you always cringe until you get that first scratch, and then once you get it and it's over with, it's kind of like, ah, no big deal if you get any more scratches and dings, right? Anyway, so you come in, this is the metal working area. Starting to get it laid out. I think I mentioned it, but if I didn't, we didn't get a chance to move the big Monarch, the Dual, the Excello, and the G&E Shaper. So the bandsaw is going to sit here, and behind that the Dual will sit right there. I've got to move the surface grinder because that stock rack is actually going to go this way, and I've got another rack coming that'll go where that rack is for all the small stock. And I've got a box and pan brake coming, so that'll sit in front of this. I gotta get the pallet out from under it, and then of course move the tube roller. Kind of got everything that's going to require power against the wall. I did not get a chance to move the big welding table in because it's going to take the forklift also, so that's going to sit right there. It's kind of the welding area, you know, have all the outlets on that side of the wall. Got the stove in. Not sure if that's going to be the final position. Probably going to have to move it and tweak it just a little bit, but that way, you know, it gets this area warm, and then I have a fan behind it, and it can blow the warm air off of the stove towards the metal turning area. So that's kind of a look at the layout there. Shop office, just got stuff packed in there right now. Still waiting on the custom window from Lowe's. You know, it should have been in here in December. Now it's what, going in the second week in January almost. So still waiting on that so I can get that wrapped up, get some indoor outdoor carpet in, and then I can start, you know, getting the office laid out. But as you come in over here on this side of the door, G&E Shaper will be sitting here. got to move the Inco lathe back a little, of course get it on the pedestals, and then the big Monarch will be sitting this way. And then I've got my workbenches, so you know I got my stuff here, and you turn around, you know, you got the lathe here, you got the lathe there, so kind of give you a nice work area. This is how it's going to flow. And then I can get a gantry in also from this way to you know, pick up all this heavy stuff and heavy stock. The Excello will sit here once it comes in, and this is kind of the catch-all area right now until we get the concrete poured, you know, so this PVC can get out of here. But this corner will basically have, I put the arbor press against the wall, put the other 20-ton press against the wall, build the bathroom in that back corner, and then the blast cabinet and the air compressor will be off of here. Got to get the stove out of here because originally I was going to use this, but I got that free wood stove, so hey, it's even better, right? And then come over here, this is the automotive area, so that's where the lift's going to be. Workbenches, big snap-on toolbox will sit here, and then, you know, I may put some small stuff here in the wall. Of course, you know, hang pictures, posters, street signs, whatever. So that's kind of the layout, guys. Eventually I'll build a work table or two in here, and of course if it's in the way, then all I got to do is grab the forklift and move it. So keep stuff kind of fluid in this area so I can come in and out with the forklift. And then of course, you know, the back door, I can't block that because I'll need to be able to drive in and out to be able to access to the forklift. Be able to come in and out and access the lift, not the forklift. It's kind of cold and my tongue and cheek are not working. So there we go. I'm gonna continue to work until the storm comes. So I hope you appreciate the update. And once we get some really nice weather, you know, a week or two that it's just cold, no rain, so all this dirt out here can firm up because it's still kind of soft. We rutted it a little bit yesterday, but you know, we had to get stuff moved in. Then you know, we'll move the big equipment and I'll bring you back for that update. So exciting news. Hey, exciting news. So thanks for sticking with me. All you new subscribers, I appreciate you finding the channel. All the old subscribers, you know, I appreciate you hanging out with me. It's been a crazy ride, hasn't it, guys? And until then, we'll catch you next time.